Hi everyone, my name is Cierra. This is my second semester in Widener's social work program. I currently work as the principal's assistant in a high school that holds roughly 1,400 students. Some of these students are diagnosed with mental health conditions. I don't currently participate in any treatment teams, but I do assist in providing coverages for teachers, administrators, practitioners, and families to meet. These meetings help ensure that the needs of the student are met and all parties are working together for his or her best interest. An example of such meeting that I might schedule is an IEP meeting or an individualized education program meeting. I also provide a safe place in my office where students can come any time of day and know that they can calm themselves, speak without judgment, and will be accepted, respected, and cared for exactly as they are. I don't force them to talk about anything they don't want to, but they know that I am an ear that will definitely listen if they need it. I don't work with any practitioners to make DSM-5 diagnoses, but do keep the appropriate parties, such as our school psychologist and school social worker, informed of any issues or needs that arise. I'm also on the lookout and keep my eyes and ears open throughout the school day, and even when I'm entering and exiting our building to see if anyone says anything that calls for an alarm to go off or just needs some help or guidance. My career goal is to be a school social worker, and saying that, my lack of experience makes me very interested in this course and motivates me to soak up the information like a sponge would to apply it to my life, both home and in the workforce in the future. I hope everyone has a great semester. I look forward to working with you and meeting you on Wednesday evening.